Hi everyone, in this video I will show you product page customization in Shopify. So all you have to do here is go to Shopify and then you have to look for your online store right here. Go to your themes, tap on themes, and then you can now basically edit your theme or publish a theme right here. All you have to do is select that one. If you can find your theme, then you can just scroll down and then select for that specific theme or look for that specific theme for your online store. Let's just say if you want to use this one, all you have to do is tap on try theme or try this theme. So basically to customize product page here in Shopify, all you have to do is tap on your edit theme or edit right here. And basically it will take you directly to the edit section. On the upper side, you can choose product page or home page. So let's just say we are editing the product page of your Shopify. All you have to do is just simply click whatever element that you want to be replaced. For example, this one right here. If you want to change the background, you just have to click that specific picture or image and then upload that picture here from your computer or from your device. You can also change the font style, the letters, the fonts right here, the words right here. All you have to do is to click, and then on the left side you can change the style. You can also change the color. So for the products here, you can just basically go first to your Shopify. In the Shopify homepage, you will see on the left side products. So there you must add products first, like the image of your products and the information of your products. You can also add collection right here. Once you have added your products and collection, you can go back to your Shopify theme and then you can edit your product page. So you can add more information, you can add collection, you can add the highlight or the trending image or product of your page or your website. And you can add more pictures right here. You can add more images. And then you can also add more features, sections, and information about your store. But basically, that's how easy it is to product page customization in Shopify. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.